Hello everybody, welcome back to the 10 to £1,000 Forex trading challenge. The last episode is going down very well on the channel, so this is actually episode 4 now. Yeah, we are currently in a trade right now. I don't know if you can see, we're about 86 pence up at the moment on this trade. We just entered a small position on this one just to start the week. It's currently Tuesday. I did enter a few positions yesterday, but they did actually end up hitting the stop loss, which is quite unfortunate. But yeah, I'll quickly show you what happened on those trades now. What I do is I take a screenshot of every trade I take, usually the before and after. But I didn't actually take a screenshot of the before on this one, so I'm just quickly going to show you what happened after on this trade. Okay, so this is a screenshot I actually had. As you see, I entered a short position here. As you see, price heavily rejected this resistance area here, which it didn't actually be able to break above. Price literally just rallied up to the upside, came back to retest this resistance, which acted as support, and then just pushed up. You know, it was unfortunate. We only had small stops, and I think we lost, I'd say, around £1.80 or something on those trades. We're currently floating around 7, 8 pips on this trade currently. And on the account it's about £1 in profit, so we're on about £88 in the account right now. We finished the last episode on about 89, so yeah, hopefully we can get it up maybe to 100 this week. That's about 100 pips or so if we're using 0.01 lot size, which is obviously the best lot size to use on this account. I've actually been really busy working on some more resources for Forex and for my business, the Will's FX channel and stuff like that. If you don't follow my Instagram, be sure to go follow it. It's on the screen now. Yeah, I share a lot of my trading that doesn't make it to YouTube, like some of the trades I enter. I'll just post them on there sometimes. Show all my entries and yeah, what's basically happening in my life as a Forex trader pretty much. A lot of people messaged me about joining my VIP, so if you want to join that, just message me on Instagram. I'll just get you involved with that. We've got about 30 people involved right now. And yeah, price is pushing up on this trade. So hopefully we can see a nice push to the take profit.
Nope.
The weather in England right now is pretty terrible. It's raining and windy outside. So obviously it's not the best to do anything. So I'm just stuck here looking at my monitors, monitoring the charts and doing more video stuff for you guys. As you've probably noticed, I've been uploading a lot more videos recently, like 2 or 3 a week. I'm just trying to get to that 10,000 subscribers, then 100,000 hopefully. Yeah, just grow this brand and giving you basically free education on the channel, showing you how I trade with small amounts of money and yeah, make a good amount of profit doing so. Okay guys, so it is the morning now. It's about 7:20. Just woken up into about £14 profit on GBP AUD short position. Don't know if you can see that, but prices absolutely plummeting down. We did enter a 0.05 on this one, and it's getting close to the take profit, so hopefully we can hit that, and the account will be on around £101. That is 10% of the challenge completed if this trade hits the take profit. Good start to the day and week so far, up a good amount, so yeah, hopefully the day carries on with this amount of luck. Okay guys, so I did actually just close out of that pound Aussie dollar position. I've got around £18 profit, so the account is now on around £104 or so. So yeah, that was a bit of nice profit to wake up to this morning. It's currently Wednesday morning, so yeah, that wiped out all the losses, which was about £3 or £4 or so. So yeah, the account is back up over £104 now. So obviously we got over a 900% gain on the account from that initial £10 investment. So yeah, we're actually over 10% of the way towards our £1,000 target now. I'm just going to carry on doing the same thing. It might take longer than most of the flips you see on YouTube, but I just want to do this one realistically, risking a small amount and trading with proper risk management. Because as I've done before and I've seen on YouTube before, flip videos are basically people that over leverage, probably takes them more than 1 or 2, 3 tries, who knows. And yeah, they only show you the best result of what they've done. Like, they could have had 5 different accounts, 4 failed and 1 worked, and they only show you that one that worked. So that's why I'm being very transparent and showing you all my losses and everything like that in this series and all the trades I take. Yeah, if I quickly show you on the charts, take profit is actually smashed on this trade here. I did actually close a tiny bit early at around 1.8 around here, this level here, but I probably should have left it to the original take profit. But you know, you can't be right every time in trading, so next time I know to leave the trade to the initial take profit. Yeah, the stops are at break even around 4 AM when I wake up. Check the charts, and yeah, stops are at break even then. We're about 20 pips in profit. Hopefully I'll find some more positions today. If not, it doesn't matter because we're profitable for the week already. I'm on the charts now, and I'm basically going to take you through my GBP AUD trade and why I took it and so on. So as you see here, we're looking at the 1 hour, and we had this area where price had actually not been able to break below. As you see, wick into this support, pushed up again, whipped into the support, pushed back up, whipped into the support, pushed back up. But we actually got the break of this support here, came back, retested it as resistance, and had this nice bullish candle, which actually closed below this level here of the two previous candles. So yeah, we were looking for short positions on this trade here. Also, this candle started pushing down with pretty much no wick to the upside here, so we're pretty confident that this trade was just going to carry on to the downside. But yeah, we entered at around this level here. Price actually dropped down, as you see, pulled back a little bit and tested this 0.382 Fibonacci, and then carried on the drop down. It was around 90 pip drop in total. But yeah, I did actually say in my VIP yesterday that the pound was going to drop, and yeah, as you see, the pound did drop. But we're lucky we took our profits down here, as price has now pushed up around 170 pips or so, pushed to the upside. We'll probably see price get to this level, see what it does at this level here, because I've actually had this marked out for a while. As you see, it's tested multiple times in the past. Yeah, we'll see how it reacts there. But yeah, simple trade this, just a little break and retest of a bit of structure. As you see on the lower time frames, this support was very strong, and a little break and retest and drop. You don't need all these fancy indicators and stuff on your graphs. Look, just simple break and retests, and yeah, it's just simple trading really, and anyone can make profit off these sort of strategies. You don't need some secret method to actually be profitable in trading. But yeah, the account is on £104, already up a good percentage, so I'm probably just going to end this video here, because I'm probably not going to trade the rest of the week unless I find obviously some really good opportunities. Otherwise, there's no point just wiping out all your profits for the week just because you didn't trade the last 2 days of the week. Yeah, there's no need to trade every day on the markets. But yeah, even if we don't find any more positions, we're already up this week, and obviously up all time on this account from the £10 initial investment. Obviously, we're getting a lot closer every episode to that £1,000. And yeah, leave some comments down below of what you want to see on my channel, because a lot of people just ask for flip videos, strategy videos. I was wondering like what other videos you want me to see, like more day in the life sort of style videos. But yeah, just leave a comment, and obviously like and subscribe too.